Everybody loves to hear that they've performed a job well done, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. We think this feedback proves that. Find out why our customers are so happy and value their experience with us so much they keep coming back over and over again. We're happy to say we've earned our glowing reviews one customer at a time. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.